Good morning. Aba. Gumulong ka daw, sabi ni Daddy. Ha? Natulog ka daw na nakadapa, ha? Nakadapa ka na matulog? Very good, baby. Ay? Kamusta ang tulog mo, ha? Hey, Pumpkin. Ay. Say good morning. Good morning, people. Good morning, mga ka-journey. Hi. Chubby legs. Yeah. You have a chubby legs? Yeah. You say so sweet. Yes, you are so sweet. Yeah. Yeah. So, sa May 4, may ophthalmologist appointment kasi na-notice namin na palagi siya na dumuduling na duling ba? Libat. No, cross eyes. What? Yeah, we're going to visit the ophthalmologist. I bless you. Oh, bless you. Oh, we really need to clean your room because it's dusty. Yes. Mommy's gonna declutter your newborn clothes too. Yeah? Antok na ikaw? No. Antok na ikaw. Natutulog na siya mag-isa, mga ka-journey. Very good na baby namin. Natutulog na mag-isa, right? As long as na full yung tummy. As long as full yung tummy, natutulog na mag-isa, right? Yes, you are. Okay, so mommy can do cleaning the aquarium, and I'm gonna declutter your clothes, the newborn ones, and I'm gonna tidy up some of this messy stuff inside your room. Okay? Okay, baby? Yeah? Okay? Okay. So, nag-roll na siya. You give up? You give up from rolling? Huh? You give up from rolling, baby? She's muntok na yan. Antok ka na? Ha? Did you poop? Let me check. No poop. No poop. Sleep na? So, tapos na ako maglinis. Medyo okay na siya tingnan. Yung dyan, ano yan, yung doon, yung mga crochet ko, at saka yung sewing machine. Tapos doon, yung sa bawah na yan, na gray towels niya and blankets. Sa ilalim is yung mga malalaking sizes ng damit niya, and sa pinakailalim na box, yun is yung crochet yarns ko. Tapos doon yung mga toys, yan yung dyan is yung mga diaper na washable. Tapos yan yung dresser niya. Ito lang. So naayos ko na siya, and declutter na ako ng mga damit niya. So yan yung na to, 3 to 6 and 6 to 9 months. Dito yung mga onesies niya, tsaka ito yung mga pants na matches dito. And sa second drawer is yung yung cloth niya, washcloth, burp cloth, tapos yung bibs, yung hats, yung socks, yung bows niya. Kasi yung yung mga mittens niya, itinabi ko na. And sa third drawer, ito yung mga sleep sack, yung another overall na sleep sack din na onesies. And sa ilalim, yan yung mga coats niya and pajamas more, and the toy. Tapos dito ito yung mga books niya, mga story books. Tsaka yung pump ko, tinabi ko na rin kasi hindi na ako nagpa-pump kasi konti lang naman yung breast pump, konti na lang yung milk ko ngayon, but still nagbe-breastfeed pa rin ako. My Bible, which I'm gonna put it over here. Oh, it's upside down. And ito collection ko to. Ito yung white noise na speaker. Tapos yung Christmas bow and Christmas socks niya. Saka yan, ito yung pag ready na siya kumain ng solid. Yan, shoes. Ito cotton balls na may water, kasi pag aside sa gumagamit ako ng wet wipes, gumagamit din ako nito after. So pag pupo siya, ginagamit ako ng wipes, and then yung cotton balls na binabad sa water. Ito naman is yung para sa akin, which is my medicine and my prenatal vitamins. I'm still taking that one. And we have here our diaper, the wipes, and the diaper genie. We also have there the diaper genie for the refill for the plastic bag. And that's it. Then over here, ito yung table. Diyan ko siya nag-nurse. Diyan ako sa kanya. Pinapadede yung rocker ko. And over here, some of her like what do you call it, first aid kit. So meron tayo dito na thermometer, and ito kakabili lang to ng mother-in-law ko. Meron tayo dito ng grape water, very useful siya. May Tylenol din ako pag in case may fever. May yung vitamin D niya, yung sa rash, at saka yung sa nose. That one, Aquaphor for baby, and my charger, yung nail cutter niya, yung hairbrush. So that's it. Tulog pa rin siya. So yun, yan mga ka-journey. Mag-ano ako, while she's sleeping, maglilinis ako ng ng aquarium namin kasi marumi na. So yan yung aquarium, kailangan ng linisin. So yun lang mga ka-journey. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give a thumbs up, and don't forget to share and subscribe. And I'm just gonna see you again in our next video.